Hello everyone. So we are students from Nisman Chamadi, and this is our idea, which we have called it HydroPure. Well, firstly, we did some investigation about water resources here in Albania, and we came to the conclusion that there are a number of rivers which contain harmful substances and even pollutants due to the industrial spills.
As for this third slide, we have included a table where there will be a comparison between the parameters of tap water and drinking water that will help us further into the process.
Well, the key ingredient of our idea is polyglue, and polyglue is a really strong coagulant which helps fasten the coagulation process of impurities in water, and you get polyglue from fermented soybeans. These soybeans are positively charged, however, the dirt that it is in the water is negatively charged, and we can think of polyglue as a really strong coagulant and a polymer which has strong arms, and it traps all these positive and negative ions, and they sink to the bottom. So with polyglue, you can treat up to 5 liters of polluted water.
Further into planning the HydroPure idea, I will be describing the structure more thoroughly. Firstly, as you can see, there is a small sketch of our idea, and we've also included an image of our actual high school. This is our backyard where we are planning to improvise a small garden where we'll be planting soybeans, so we don't have to just buy soybeans. We wanted to grow them ourselves. So this is a more concrete project. As for the HydroPure idea and the tanks, in the first tank, we will have polyglue that will provide us chemical and physical purification. But we didn't want to stop there, and an important part of our project is also biological treatment, which will be provided by sand and carbon filtration put on the second tank. As for the third tank, according to our expectations, here we will have clean water and drinking water.
So we have talked about the advantages and disadvantages of this idea. Some of the advantages are, well, it's not a really expensive method because we mentioned that we want to lower the cost by creating a small garden, and there we will produce like soybeans and then we will ferment them. And with 1 kilogram of soybeans, which is approximately to €3, you can produce a lot of polyglue, and you can treat approximately 4,000 liters of polluted water.
As for the conclusions, here we have listed 3 of our main solutions and conclusions of this project. Firstly, the construction, which I mentioned, that will be by 3 tanks, the use of polyglue, that is our main substance, and the main substance that we're willing to put to work, and that will bring us the purifying of rainwater into drinking water. And also we've concluded in our budget as a cost reduction. As I mentioned, we want to plant soybeans ourselves so we can reduce the budget. And we'll also be using 3 of our school deposits. Thank you. This was our idea, and I hope we've been as clear as possible to explain it.